welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited to be showing all of you guys how I get beautiful, silky, smooth hair. I'm gonna be going over all the products I use to wash my hair, moisturize it. I'm gonna be letting you in on all the Brittany Bear tips and tricks. So make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you guys can be a part of my bear family. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and as always guys, hit that subscribe button and keep on watching as I show you guys how to get beautiful, sexy, luscious hair.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna look like I've been electrocuted in this first half of my video because I want to talk to you guys a little bit about what I did in order to prepare myself from actually color treating my hair. So I was so convinced that I wanted to have black hair for the rest of my life until about 6 or 7 months ago when I started to get the itch that I wanted to change my hair color. And I already knew what it took in order for me to get black box hair dye out of my hair. So I actually started really early in this process to prepare my hair for the damage that it was going to be put through, I guess you can say. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about 2 shampoos that I use for my hair. One of them is a clarifying shampoo and the other one is sulfate free. So the first one is going to be my L'Oreal Paris Everpure sulfate free color care system. This one comes in a shampoo and a conditioner, and the one that I chose was a volume conditioner as well as a volume shampoo. This is the little purple bottle, and basically sulfate free is so good for your hair and especially hair extensions. What I've noticed is that the longevity of my extensions lasts so much longer because of sulfate free shampoo. It doesn't have all those harsh chemicals that really just dry out your hair. I feel like sulfate free for me really is what keeps my hair and my extensions looking amazing for a longer period of time. So it actually goes for about $6 or $7 depending on the store that you purchase it at, and honestly guys, it is so amazing. So the next shampoo that I want to talk to you guys about is going to help for the girls who want to change their hair color, who want to basically naturally strip the color out of your hair. This one is amazing because this is going to naturally strip out all of that color that you have. It is just going to clarify your hair. I found this actual product maybe a couple years back when I was in the process of going blonde. Not only is it super hydrating on my scalp and it just makes my hair feel so silky and smooth, it also takes away that excess color that I want to get rid of. So I love this shampoo right here, and it is made from olive oil and aloe vera, which are 2 amazing ingredients for your hair. It's really just going to moisturize your hair and give it such beautiful texture. So this one actually goes for a total of $5-6, which is definitely affordable. So this is the other shampoo that I highly recommend for you guys if you're in the process of going lighter, or if you guys just want to change your hair color and want your hair to have the least amount of damage possible. So now that I went ahead and talked about 2 just regular shampoos that are really just going to leave your hair looking amazing, full, and luscious, I wanted to talk about more of the shampoos that I recently started adding to my hair care system because I decided to go lighter. When I first dyed my hair, I noticed that the top of my hair was a little bit more of a red undertone, and the bottom, having that they are all basically extensions, they were definitely more of a golden undertone. So I needed to find something that was going to work, that was going to help my hair, make it look the same color and make it look its best. So my hairdresser actually recommended 2 shampoos for me, and the first one is going to be a blue shampoo. Now I know many of you guys have heard of purple shampoos because it cancels out any yellow undertones, but blue shampoo is like the newest wave in the market right now. Blue cancels out any orange undertones. So when you pick up more brassy undertones like reds or oranges, blue is actually going to cancel that out and leave everything looking super neutral. So what I like to do is I actually like to get in the shower and place the blue all over my hair, typically focusing more on the top of my natural hair rather than the hair extensions. And honestly guys, if you are just struggling with brassiness, if you see that in your hair and you want to give it a try, I highly recommend this particular shampoo. So this bad boy right here actually cost me a total of $15. I 100% highly recommend this, guys. Try it out and let me know what you guys think because it literally changed my hair game. So the next shampoo that I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about is something that we are very familiar with. This is a purple shampoo. I actually like to mix the blue and the purple, and the reason being is that purple cancels out yellow undertones. So having that my hair picks up more red, it also definitely picks up a little bit more golden as well. So the purple shampoo will really just neutralize that and make it look a lot more ashy. This is the Shimmer Light Shampoo Blonde and Silver. Absolutely love this. Like if you are a blonde, I highly recommend purple purple shampoo, it will give you that beautiful like ashiness and just neutralize the color. So the total price of the shampoo was $10, which definitely is worth it when you're thinking about the longevity of your hair and making sure that it looks beautiful. So something like this is definitely going to keep you looking fly all summer long. So one of the things I wanted to introduce to you guys, this is actually something I do right after I get out of the shower, is I use some sort of leave-in conditioner. And this just really gives my hair that beautiful silky smooth texture to it. So when I comb out all the tangles, it just goes really flawlessly and it doesn't make me work so hard to have like nice combed hair. So this one is from Ion and it's called Moisture Solutions. It's Miracle Leave-In Conditioner with coconut water and vitamin B. So I absolutely love this product. I use it right after I get out of the shower. So this one will run you about $8-9, which is definitely amazing because something like this, you only need a couple sprays on your hair. So something like this is definitely a long-term investment and you will get your money's worth for it. It is officially now time to straighten my hair, to share with you guys the tools that I use, the brushes I use, and everything like that. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about is anytime you are applying heat onto your hair, you definitely want to apply something like a heat protector. I, for the longest time, never knew what it was, never understood how making your hair wet before you straighten it would actually work. But I did realize that as I was using this and I was straightening my hair and curling it, it really did keep my hair from looking super fried and frazzled. Like I've been using this for a good 1.5 years and it really just kept my hair at its best. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take my TRESEMME heat spray, and after my hair is blow dried, I'm gonna grab this and I'm gonna spray this into my hair. So I'm just gonna lather it generously and make sure that this really does protect my extensions as well as my natural hair from looking tragic. So I went ahead and turned my straightener on 450 degrees, which is super, super hot. By the way, guys, this is a Bellamy straightener. If you are in the market for an amazing straightener, this one right here, I literally got all my friends on it. It works so good. It gets so hot and with just one stroke you can literally straighten the craziest hair ever. So I'm actually gonna part my hair half up, half down and just kind of begin with the bottom pieces and straighten these bad boys out. So starting with the little like baby hairs close to my face, I'm gonna do all of those. Can we just see how silky this side looks? This side is literally like so shiny and silky, and then this is a side obviously that still needs to be straightened, but you guys can see the color. My hair still looks extremely healthy. It's like super silky looking. Okay, Brittany, you worked for that hair. All right, guys, so I'm gonna begin on the other side of my hair. And I'm just going to slightly grab pieces and go very slow. Just kind of make sure that I can straighten it in about 1 to 2 strokes. Alrighty guys, so here is what it looks like once I went ahead and I straightened off the bottom pieces of my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and let down the front pieces, and you guys can already tell the difference of how silky and smooth this looks from the shampoos and the conditioners that I use in my hair. So the next step is going to be to straighten the top of my hair. And so the front pieces, I actually like to bend them outward with a straightener, and this gives me like that super sexy smooth like flippy bang right here. It gives a lot of volume to my hair, and I noticed in pictures it just looks so good. So it's very, very simple. You just want to straighten it downward and kind of just like flick your wrist. Bam! And then I'm gonna go ahead and start from the root and just kind of carry the straightener downward and kind of bend the ends so that my real hair that's a little bit damaged on the end, it just kind of gives it more of that smooth appearance. So now that I went ahead and finished off straightening my hair, I'd like to take my Aragon Morocco Oil. This is extra penetrating oil for dry, coarse hair. Because my hair is color treated, I like to make sure that it's hydrated and that it doesn't look like fragile or frail on the tips. So what I like to do is apply just like a little pea-size amount, just like that. And I work it into my hands and just kind of start at the tips to hydrate all the areas in which are a little bit more damaged. Basically all the areas that are a little bit more dry. And then with the excess oil, I just like to take away any flyaways and just kind of pat it up top. So this gives you guys a better understanding of how shiny this makes your hair look and how it just kind of finishes off the whole vibe we got going on here. All right guys, so here is the final look of my hair today. I went ahead and showed you guys all the products that I use to create such beautiful, silky, luscious hair throughout the summer, the winter, the fall, spring, all the seasons. This is what keeps my hair super silky and shiny. I hope all of you guys liked today's tutorial. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big ol' thumbs up, like, share, comment, and as always guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see all of my bear family in the next video. Bye guys!